Welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a few DIYs to decorate your home for the Christmas holidays. Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year, and I was planning on having several projects to show you. Unfortunately, I had surgery, so I won't be able to do the rest of the videos, but I truly hope you enjoy this one. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, because later on I will have a lot more DIYs that you will love. I'm gonna start by painting my vase with this white chalk paint, and I'm gonna give it 2 coats, and then I'm gonna let it dry. And you can use a hair dryer if you're like me, impatient waiting for the paint to dry. You can use a hair dryer and speed up the process. So here's my vase. It's completely dry. It pays off to use the hair dryer because it dries so quick. Now I'm going to take this picture frame, and you can find this either in Walmart or Michael's or any of those craft store. And I am going to paint it red, and then I'm gonna let the first coat dry. Now I'm going to give it a second coat of paint. I'm going to use this glitter. Make sure you use very fine glitter because that works better. So I'm going to give it a second coat, but before the paint dries, I'm going to put the glitter right on top of the frame, and then I'm going to let it dry. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. It looks nice and sparkly. I love how the glitter gives it a really nice look. So next, what I'm going to do is you're going to take some Mod Podge, and I'm going to put a thin layer over the glitter just to seal it. All right, next I'm going to decorate my vase, and for this I'm going to use some of this jute twine and some of these pine cones ornaments. They're cute, red, glittery, and I'm just going to thread 2 of them through the jute twine, and I'm going to tie them around the vase, and then I'm going to wrap the jute twine 4 times around the vase, and in the end I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that the jute twine doesn't come off. All right, next I'm going to be using these ornaments, but I'm only going to be using the little flower that's on the top, you see right there, and I'm gonna just yank it out and I'm gonna glue it between the pine cones, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Ta-da! Look how pretty that looks. Simple but very beautiful. And these ornaments, I got them from Walmart. They were about $1 and change. Now I'm going to use this candle holder that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to decorate it the same way I decorated the vase. Beautiful. And as I said, very easy to do, but very beautiful. Okay, now that my picture frame is completely dry, I am going to decorate it. And for this, I'm going to be using this love sign that I got from Dollar Tree, but I'm going to remove the decoration that I have around it, like the rope and the greenery, because I only need the word sign. And then I'm going to glue it to the frame using some hot glue. Alright, so let me show you what it looks like. I know the word looks backwards, but it's because I'm using the selfie side of my cell phone to record this video. So yeah, that's what it looks like so far. And I'm going to decorate the letters with some of these stickers. Here they are, and I just got these from Michael's, and I'm just going to glue one. They're self-adhesive, so I'm just going to glue one on the holes that the letters have, because when I remove the rope and that decoration that the letters had, it left some holes behind, so I want to cover those, and I just want to make them really pretty. See, that looks much better. Okay, so now I got this branch from a Dollar Tree. I'm only going to be using the part that has the berries and the little greenery. So I'm going to cut 2 pieces of those, and I'm going to glue them with my hot glue right on each side of the word love. And now I have a really beautiful picture frame. Next, I'm going to take some of these red poinsettias and some of these berries and pine cones and some fern to create my flower arrangement to put inside my vase. But first, I'm going to add some of these rocks. And by the way, all of these flowers and the little rocks are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to fill up my vase with some rocks, and then I'm going to create my flower arrangement. now, to decorate my candle holder, I'm gonna add some artificial snow, and then I'm gonna add my battery operated candle. Okay, so now let me show you the finished product. I'm going to put everything together, my vase, my candle holder, and my picture frame. And look how cute everything looks. It looks absolutely adorable. I made 2 sets of these because I'm planning on putting one each set on my end tables in the living room. And so it just looks absolutely amazing. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next time. Enjoy the holidays!